morning, students. Our today's topic is eigenvalues and eigenvectors. First of all, we discuss about the introduction part. As far as eigenvalues and eigenvectors are concerned, from the standpoint of practical and technical applications, the eigenvalue problems are among the most important problems in connection with matrices, and the number of research papers on corresponding numerical methods for computers in enormous. For the concepts of the eigenvalues can be described as follows. Let x equals to x1, x2, x3 and so on xn, and y equals to y1, y2, y3 and so on yn. Be two vectors whose components are related as follows. This is y1 equals to a11 x1, a12 x2 plus and so on a1n xn. y2 equals to a21 x1, a22 x2 plus and so on a2n xn and so on. yn equals to a n1 x1, a n2 x2 plus and so on a_n_n xn. In matrix equation form, this can be written as, in the matrix equation form, this can be written as this is y equals to a x. Thus, x is transformed into another vector y by matrix A. Unit matrix I transform the given matrix x into x itself. Beside unit vector matrix, there are some other matrices which transform the given vectors into itself. For example, if you are taking suppose we are taking x is 1, 2, taking this vector, and the coefficient matrix A is, this is 3, 0, 8, minus 1. So therefore, Ax equals to A is 3, 0, 8, 1, minus 1. This is 1, 2. After the multiplication of these matrices, we get 3. This is 1, this is 2. Here 1, 2 is the given vector x, and here 3 is a scalar. Similarly, if you are taking x is x1, x2 and 0, or A is 1, 0, 2, this is 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 3. After the multiplication, we get x1, x2, this is 0. Here this is a given vector and it is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Therefore, we multiply by this matrix this vector, then we get the same vector. Similarly, if we take the coefficient matrix 0 to this 0 lambda 2, this is 0 0 3, and the vector is x1 x2 0, then we get lambda x1 x2 x0. It means we observe that there are some vectors which transform the given vector into itself. Now we are going to define the eigenvalue and eigenvectors. Definition: let VF be an n-dimensional let VF be an n-dimensional vector space and T be a linear transformation. T is V to V such that T of x equals to lambda x, where x not equal to 0 belongs to V and lambda belongs to F. Then lambda is called the eigenvalue or characteristic value or latent value of the linear transformation T, and x is called the eigenvector or latent vector of the corresponding eigenvalue lambda. If V is r की power n and T is aij n by n, which is a, then we can say ax equal to lambda x. Now we define the eigenvalue problem or characteristic value problem. Eigenvalue problem. Or characteristic value problem. If you find the vector x and the scalar lambda satisfying the equation ax equal to lambda x, if you find the vector x and the scalar lambda satisfying the equation ax equal to lambda x, then this problem is known as eigenvalue problem. If you are taking A is this, A is a square matrix of order n by n, and x is a vector of order n by n, then we have this can be written as ax equal to lambda x. This is ax equal to lambda I x, where I is a unit matrix of order n by n. This can be written as a minus lambda I x equals to 0. Therefore, this can be written as